My name is Chris Castro, and I'm a kayak angler. Proud writer for some of the best magazines in the industry. Photographer when I get a chance to get behind the trigger. Or perhaps you've read what others might think about my brain. But what most don't know about me is that I love to cook.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's good to know that not every fish in the world can simply be purchased at a market, and today we'll do just that, catching and cooking a preparation that I call trout a la Comal. A quick, easy, and healthy trout is all we need to begin today's preparation, so let's head out and catch before we cook. Before we get started today, the items you'll need: bacon, Asiago cheese, blackened seasoning, lime, minced garlic, capers, and onion. Toppings will actually be prepared before we cook the fish over a hot comal and later put aside. Now that that process is done, we'll begin seasoning our speckled trout. It's important to baste the comal in oil, which will help it from not sticking, but also to give it a crispy finish. After about 8 minutes, I turn them around and things are starting to look great. Toss some garnish for some flair. Apply the toppings and enjoy. Be sure to never miss out on new episodes of Next Level Fishing TV by clicking your notifications. Click the link above and see all of our wonderful Catch and Cook episodes. Like, subscribe, and share this recipe with all your friends.